one, power up!
And they're off and running in the autonomous mode. As, woo, we got one spinning around down here. 14-14 I-Hot racing across the middle of the field, throwing the cube across the field. Now they're hung up in the null zone. Right there for 14-14 I-Hot. As 56-32. They've stopped spinning in autonomous, and now the human players have control of the bots. The object of the game. Try to defeat the boss. Several ways to score points in this match. Owning the scale, you see the lights on the scales. The Red Alliance has to place the cubes on the red lit side in order to gain those valuable points. If they can control a switch, they'll get 1 point for every second they're in control of that switch. The scale in the center, they'll gain 1 point per second for controlling the scale if they can do that as well. You see the random patterns, 4 different sets of random patterns that could be utilized during the match for the color coding on the field. As 14-14 trying to scoop up some of those power cubes that can score those points by placing them onto the scale. As the Blue Alliance 55-82 trying to move up. They've got, somebody has just played a boost, which means now they can score twice the amount of points. 2 points for every second for 10 seconds. So there's the Red Alliance scoring. I'm sorry, that's the Blue Alliance. All right, a lot of action on the field. Game is new to everybody, including me, and we're trying to get everything together as the match continues. We're down to 38 seconds left to go as the Blue Alliance now has a 125-57 lead. We get down to the final 30 seconds. That's the end game when a lot of action can take place. The Red Alliance is now controlling the scale, gaining 1 point for every second they're in control. The Blue Alliance has control of their scale. They're doing the same thing as the score now is 181-77. We're down to 10 seconds left to go in the match. As this arcade game continues, they're battling it out. There's 57-34. They're up on the platform. They're parked. They have to have all of their robot out there supported by the platform. The referees will make that determination as we've just finished match number 2. All right, here comes that famous animation to see who defeated the boss here, and that was the Blue Alliance, defeating the boss with a score of 200-126. You notice on the board now we continually show the high score of the match. 200 is the high score right now. We've completed 2 of what will be 80 total qualifying matches today and tomorrow.